Okay, so I'm going to try to walk you through how to create a reoccurring Teams meeting for your class in the newly created channels. So if you select your class, the first thing you would do is go in and add your channels. So you'd add a new channel and whatever you call them, make sure that they show up in everyone's channel list. Once that's done, they'll show up like this list here. I have my numbered so that they appear in the order for the day. And then I will walk you through how to set up a closing meeting one. So first thing you have to do is click on the block or part of your day that you want to schedule the meeting for. So I want to schedule my closing meeting. So then I'm going to go over to here and not meet, but schedule a meeting. And this will take you into where you plan it in the calendar. Closing meeting. Required attendees, this is where you're going to add all of your parents. Make sure you have all your parents and assistants and any optional people that you might want to attend. So everybody has to be added in individually by typing in their name and searching for them. Then when it's going to occur, my meetings occur from 12:45 to 1 o'clock p.m. and they occur every day, Monday through Friday. And then you'll see this appears with the closing meeting block 6. So it'll appear in that channel and only in that channel. And then you can type anything you want here. And then once you're all finished, you're going to click send. And then you'll see in your closing meeting block 6, there's your meeting set up. So then if you go to the calendar, you'll see now that there's 2 because these were my old ones that were set up. So then these have to be canceled. This is the one. That's the new one. Oh, wait. This is the new one because you can see it says closing meeting here. This is the old one. So you want to pull up the old one. Just double check by checking which channel it's in. This is the old one in general. So we're going to edit. It seems to be taking a while, but once this comes up, you can cancel this meeting and it'll delete it from the calendar and it'll keep your reoccurring one on there. So then you can cancel meeting. And again, this is the one that's listed in general. So you can add a cancellation note. I have replaced this meeting with the new closing meetings that can be found in the closing meetings channel. Please contact me with any questions. And there you go. Now you have this. And if you check, your closing meeting is now reoccurring every day.